Hello, this is my GR yaris. Today I will introduce estimates of the modification. This time, yes, this is a price list. I do not want to see. Yes, it has a mosaic. It has a mosaic. I made a mosaic before printed. Easy to edit. Yes, I have so many modifications. There's a WC wing or something like that, and the boy wheels and the wide tire, 255 tire, and the GR aileron or something like that. And after that, I go to a modification shop, Revolution. First, I changed their original catalyzer. The reason why I choose the Revolution's original catalyzer, their sports catalyzer have very big cells and they are almost a limit of emission regulation, maybe. It's maybe the big modification parts companies, HKS, like that company, their market is so big, so they have to have a margin. So the Revolution's catalyzer is very effective. Many people want to know the good sound muffler exhaust. Most easy way to get good sound, you're better to change the catalyzer. Yes, catalyzer is so big. Yes, recently the latest emission regulation is very hard, very tough. So the normal, genuine catalyzer is very fine type, so that it has a very big resistance. Revolution's one is very effective and a very good one. Almost a limit of regulation, maybe. So that using with HK Spotlight, yes, I've got a very good power. Yes, it was very good. It was very good. But there are some problems for the system's computer prevent the power. So that's why power 8 doesn't work well. Yeah, long time. Yes, after using a long time, the power is becoming smaller. For every computer causes it. We didn't know that. The genuine catalyzer is very fine, so that if you change into a sports catalyzer like Revolution's one, the sound becomes very good. It's not necessary to change the muffler. Yeah. Most effective thing is a catalyzer, and very effective for power. Yes, it's very good parts. Yes. It's the first modification with the Revolution. And next is front member bolt set. Yes, it's a rigid parts. Totally, I change into every suspension parts. Totally is very good. Only the one parts we cannot notice about the effect of these parts. Yes, and the next is MoTec system. Oh no. I asked the president to. I want to put a MoTec and I want more power. So, but he says it's impossible to endure the big power with normal mission gear or differential or something like that. Japanese domestic scene, the GRLC's mission is always broken, so that if you want a MoTec power, you have to change into a GL cross gear set. The material is different, maybe stronger, so that I change into that one. It's very expensive. And in addition, mechanical clutch plate differential with the same time. So I changed into a GR def. Yes, but there was 80S box in my trunk room. But I asked the mechanic on the shop, but they doesn't remember. I don't know what kind of differential inside my car. This list, it says maybe a GL brand LSD. The original setup, very weak pressure with the rear side and a very strong pressure of the front side. I put the Ongra clutch. Yes, it must be maybe impossible to endure the MoTec power with a normal, genuine clutch. It's impossible to endure. So I must change it into some metal third party's clutch. Revolution has a relationship with Ogura, so usually Ogura sells only a single clutch, but the Revolution has the twin plate clutch of Ogura, and I put it. Yes, the midpoint is very high, driver's side. I'm just a little bit nervous and heavy, So it must be hard for amateur drivers, so that Omra clutch only sells a single plate, but the twin plate is more powerful. It must be good choice. Yes, and it's almost the Revolution's original. And the mission and 4W controller, yes, and yes, this is very good. Semi-rigid mission mount. Yes, it's very effective. Yes, yaris mission is always moving. At first time on circuit, I make a noise with the shift changing. Yes, a crash sound always, and it was bad feeling. I didn't like it. It's normally no problem, but the on circuit, very hard G, and the mission moves, it cannot shift well without a crashing sound. But the this semi-rigid mission mount. Yes, they had a mission have 3 processing. Yes, it must be good. Yes, shift feeling is completely different. It's very good, excellent. Yes, they have a team GT86 race, second place a whole year. That they had a good result, and GT86 mission is very weak. They are always trying some such a good processing or something like that. Yes, they have a good know-how to strengthen the mission. So, and this processing and the mount is very good, very good. The mission feeling, almost the other thing, excellent, very good one, good one. Yes, I recommend you this menu, yeah. And the yes, that's all. Yes, very expensive one. And next is engine. Yes, MoTec. Yes, first I wanted to change the MoTec. Only MoTec is enough, but he says that you must change the oil cooler and the air cleaner or some. Oh no. Okay, I cannot. Okay, I cannot. Yeah, I'll make a mosaic and effect. Editing video. Okay, and oil cooler and the piping and the. Yes, so many things, and I cannot show you. Maybe. Intake air sensor. Intake temperature sensor. Yes, they did. Okay, it's a secret maybe. It's secret. I cannot use this paper for card injection box with this one. Okay, it's a know-how. It's know-how. Yes, they use a normal turbine, but around the control system, they made a modification. And yes, I said that the lower side torque is very strong, and peak power not so. 1.6 liters engine, so not so big power, peak power, but the lower side torque is very strong. They control the overshoot to 1.8, and after that, going to back to 1.5 or 1.6. A MoTec can control the carb, very fine control, very strong lower side torque. Is this car's character. Yes, very good one. Yes, they won the time attack season. They got the most popular circuit, the Tsukuba circuit is winner. Yes, they had a course record holder. They using normal turbine with this type. Well, of course, they use less gasoline, a special gasoline, and the burst is more higher than this one, but the almost the same. Yes, this one, the tune type of the fastest GR. Yeah. Okay. Oh, so I made a sticker, handmade MoTec. Okay, and the yes, I will show you. Okay, quick. You should. Okay. I know yes, I will do this. So after that, yes, he says Toyota's genuine 4W controller computer prevent the power to protect the mission. So we must change into the other third party's Cybex computer. And they made a setting and with the original suspension. So President says you're better to change into original suspension. It's okay. I am changing to instead of Cusco. I wanted to make a suspension with my own, but it's okay. Do it. Okay. The program, the Cybex program, makes with the original suspension so that at last it was very good. It was very good balance. Yeah. I will jack up and show you the suspension someday. Today is hard. Today is impossible. Okay. This is original air intake. First, they are going to use canine egg cleaner. Set around here, but they want to make a duct, a fresh air duct. So this is the Revolution's original type. Yes, almost the first lot. Yes. And yes, Revolution's one is basically here is very long. It must be good for a lower torque. Yes, maybe. Yes. But the other parts makers, the air cleaner box is here, and the very short one. Yes, it makes the very good torque. Maybe. And this is M142. Yeah. And yes, this is oil cooler. Yes, oil cooler is very good work. It has a good work. Yes, the temperature keeping lower. Yes, very good. But the oil cooler prevents the air to radiator. So yes, dark. Yes, I'm using a light with smartphone. Yes, this is oil cooler. It's a very big one. Very big. Over here. Yes, and this is the intercooler. A very big one. And change into a big pipe. Yes. Piping that they made an original piping, a huge piping, and the oil cooler. So these parts prevent the air to radiator so that in the morning the water temperatures rising up very fast. So it's is it good for circuit or not? I don't know. If the water temperature is so bad, I'll put maybe air duct around here. Yes, maybe I'll choose double C type. Maybe. Okay. Yeah, this is the rear side. Can't see the bump rubber. Okay. And someday I will put off the tire and show you the suspension. Yes, and this is the front side. It's violet one. Violet, yes. Yeah. Okay, that's all. See you next time. Thank you for watching.